Hello everyone, welcome to the world of timeless kitchen decor, where classic beauty meets everyday comfort. A timeless kitchen is not about following the latest trends, it is about creating a warm, elegant, and welcoming space that remains beautiful for years to come. From classic cabinetry and natural materials to cozy lighting and charming decorative details, every element comes together to create a kitchen that feels both stylish and effortlessly inviting. Today, let's explore some beautiful ideas for creating a timeless kitchen you will love for years to come. Timeless kitchen decor is a kitchen decorating style designed to look beautiful, welcoming, and stylish for many years rather than following short-lived trends. It focuses on classic colors, natural materials, practical layouts, and elegant details that don't easily go out of fashion. Key features of timeless kitchen decor: classic color palette uses white, cream, beige, soft gray, warm oud, and muted earthy tones. Next, use natural materials like oud, stone, marble, ceramic, cotton, linen, and oven textures. Use simple cabinetry. Shaker style or other clean traditional cabinet designs work especially well. Quality over trends. Choose trouble pieces and finishes that can remain attractive for years. Use warm lighting like pendant lights, wall sconces, and warm toned lighting. Create a cozy atmosphere. Use classic hardware like brass, bronze, black, or simple metal handles can add subtle character. Open shelving. A few shelves displaying ceramics, glassware, cookbooks, or window pieces can create a relaxed look. Timeless accessories. Wooden cutting boards, ceramic pictures, oven baskets, vintage clocks, and simple floral arrangements add personality. Balance of old and new, mixing traditional details with modern conveniences. Keep the kitchen comfortable without making it feel overly trendy. The overall goal is a kitchen that feels calm, functional, warm, and elegant today, and still looks appealing years from now. Timeless kitchen decor is all about creating a space that feels classic, comfortable, and naturally beautiful, rather than overly influenced by temporary trends. It can work in both large and small kitchens, and can easily blend traditional vintage, farmhouse, or cottage-inspired elements. Choose a classic foundation. Simple cabinetry, natural walls, and understated countertops create a foundation that can remain attractive for many years. Use warm, natural textures like wooden accents, oven baskets, ceramic dishes, linen curtains, and stone surfaces can make the kitchen feel cozy and inviting. Keep the color palette calm. Cream, ivory, soft white, warm beige, muted cream, gentle gray, and natural wood tones are excellent choices for a relaxed, timeless appearance. Add character with vintage touches. A vintage-inspired clock, antique-style cabinet, old-fashioned pottery, or a traditional bread box can bring personality without making the kitchen feel dated. Mix practicality with beauty. Timeless decor should still be functional, keep frequently used items accessible, while using attractive containers, trays, and baskets to maintain an organized appearance. Focus on details. Classic cabinet handles, elegant lighting, and small floral arrangement, framed artwork, or a beautiful genre can make a simple kitchen feel special. Avoid over-decorating. The beauty of timeless design often comes from restraint. A few carefully chosen pieces can create a more elegant look than filling every surface. Make it personal. Family-style ceramics, favorite cookbooks, handmade crafts, or meaningful vintage pieces can give the kitchen a lived-in feeling while keeping the overall design classic. A timeless kitchen becomes especially charming when classic design is combined with warmth, texture, and personal character. Here are some additional ideas. First, create a classic focal point. Make one area the visual highlight, such as a beautiful range hood, farmhouse sink, kitchen island, vintage cabinet, or open shelving display. Next, bring in natural wood. Wooden cutting boards, tools, shelves, beams, or furniture can soften a kitchen filled with white, grey, or stone surfaces. Next, use traditional ceramics. Display simple ceramic plates, bowls, pitchers, and mugs on open shelves or inside glass front cabinet. They add a handcrafted, homey quality. Add soft fabric accents. Linen or cotton contains simple tea towels, table runners, and seat cushions can make the room feel warmer without overwhelming the design. Decorate with greenery. Small potted herbs, leafy plants, or fresh flowers can add a natural touch and make the kitchen feel lively. Choose classic lighting. Use pendant lights, lantern-style fixtures, or simple glass shades can provide both practical illumination and timeless character. Layer different textures. Combine smooth countertops with wood, oven baskets, ceramic pitches, and soft textiles. This creates depth and prevents a neutral kitchen from feeling plain. Include a little vintage charm, an antique-style mirror, old-fashioned skull, vintage artwork, or traditional wooden tools can give the space a nostalgic touch. Keep countertops visually calm. Instead of displaying everything, choose a few useful and attractive items, such as a wooden bowl, ceramic utensil holder, fruit bowl, or a small vase. Let the kitchen evolve naturally. One of the best things about timeless decor is that you don't need to redesign everything whenever trends change. You can simply replace small accessories and add seasonal touches while keeping the classic foundation. Timeless kitchen decor is also about creating a sense of permanence and comfort. Instead of making the kitchen look like a showroom, the goal is to create a space that feels naturally lived in and welcoming. Mix traditional and modern elements. A classic wooden cabinet can sit beautifully alongside modern appliances. This combination keeps the kitchen practical while preserving its traditional character. Choose details that age gracefully. Use natural wood, stone, ceramic, brass, and other durable-looking materials often become more attractive as they develop character over time. Create a cozy breakfast corner. If space allows, add a small wooden table with comfortable chairs or a simple bench. It can make the kitchen feel more intimate and inviting. Use glass front cabinets. Glass doors allows you to display favorite dishes, cups, glassware, or vintage-style kitchen pieces while adding visual interest. Incorporate architectural details. Use bedboard paneling, simple molding, exposed wooden shelves, or a traditional backsplash can give the kitchen a more established and classic appearance. Add artwork thoughtfully. Use botanical prints, still life artwork, countryside illustrations, or simple framed prints can bring personality without distracting from the overall design. Use baskets for practical storage. Wicker or oven baskets can hold linens, products, cookbooks, or everyday kitchen supplies while adding warmth and texture. Keep the design balanced. A timeless kitchen usually avoids extremes. Combine decorative pieces with open space warm textures with smooth surfaces, and traditional details with simple modern conveniences. Add seasonal decorations carefully. Fresh flowers in spring, simple greenery in summer, warm-toned accessories in autumn, or subtle festive decoration in winter can refresh the kitchen without changing its basic style. Make comfort the priority. Ultimately, timeless kitchen decor should feel like a place where people genuinely enjoy spending time. A comfortable chair, well-organized workspace, warm lighting, and personal decorative touches can make the room feel welcoming every day. Consider a farmhouse or cottage-inspired feel. Timeless kitchen pairs beautifully with farmhouse and cottage elements. A farmhouse sink, wooden shelves, simple curtains, and traditional pottery can create a cozy atmosphere. Choose a classic backsplash, subway tiles, small square tiles, stone, or simple handmade look ceramic tiles can provide a classic backdrop without dominating the room. Add an island with character. A wooden island or a painted island and a muted shades can become both a practical workspace and a beautiful focal point. Display everyday essentials beautifully. Keep frequently used items such as wooden utensils, ceramic mugs, cutting boards, and serving bowls in attractive containers or on open shelves. Use natural greenery and herbs. A small collection of potted herbs near a sunny window can add freshness while also being useful for cooking. Introduce a vintage style jug, a washable genre, or subtly patterned jug can add softness and visual warmth, particularly in front of the sink or along a kitchen work area. Use mirrors aesthetically. A small traditional mirror can reflect light and make a compact kitchen feel brighter and more spacious. Create a subtle focal display. A tray containing a ceramic vase, wooden board, and a small plant can create an attractive centerpiece without making the countertop cluttered. Incorporate handmade pieces, hand-sewn pottery, oven baskets, handmade textiles, and crafted wooden accessories can give the kitchen a unique and authentic feeling. Remember that simplicity is key. Timeless design does not need to be expensive or elaborate. A thoughtfully chosen combination of classic furniture, natural textures, neutral colors, useful accessories, and personal touches can create a kitchen that feels beautiful and welcoming for years. Timeless kitchen designs work best when the room feels collected rather than perfectly matched. Small imperfections, natural textures, and meaningful objects can make the space feel more personal. Use a warm, neutral backdrop. A soft cream, warm white, beige, tube, or gentle gray can provide a calm foundation while allowing decorative pieces to stand out. Add a wooden furniture piece. A small antique-style table, wooden tools, baker's racks, or freestanding cabinet can bring warmth and character to the kitchen. Decorate above cabinets carefully. If there is a space above the upper cabinets, use only a few pieces such as baskets, pottery, or a vintage-style sign. Avoid filling the entire area. Create a beautiful coffee or tea corner. A small tray with mugs, a ceramic jars, and a simple coffee or tea setup can turn an everyday routine into a charming decorative feature. Use coordinated but not identical pieces. Different ceramic plates, bowls, and cups can look more interesting than a perfectly matching collection. Keep them connected without similar colors or materials. Incorporate natural stone details, marble, limestone, soapstone, or stone-inspired surfaces can provide an enduring appearance and complement both traditional and modern kitchens. Choose classic window treatments. Simple linen curtains, cafe curtains, or oven shades can soften windows while maintaining a traditional and welcoming atmosphere. Give the pantry personality. Glass jars, wooden labels, baskets, and neatly arranged containers can make pantry storage both practical and attractive. Use lighting in layers. Combine general lighting with dusk lighting. Add a few decorative pictures. This makes the kitchen functional during the day and cozy in the evening. Let your personality show. The most successful timeless kitchens don't feel generic. Favorite pottery, family-style pages, artwork, plants, books, or handmade crafts can make the room uniquely yours. A timeless kitchen can become even more beautiful when you focus on small details, thoughtful organization, and a comfortable atmosphere. And that is the beauty of timeless kitchen decor, a style that never needs to choose trends to feel beautiful. By combining classic colors, natural materials, thoughtful storage, cozy lighting, and personal touches, you can create a kitchen that feels warm, welcoming, and elegant for years to come. Whether your taste is traditional, farmhouse, cottage, or vacation inspired, timeless designs give you the freedom to create a space that truly feels like home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.